Our family has taken many road trips across this beautiful country. We have witnessed many natural wonders and been awed by unsurpassed scenery. There was still one road trip that remained to be conquered though. The king of all road trips, the Alaska Highway. A journey of 5,000 miles would take us to the final frontier, a land of amazing wilderness, wildlife, and adventure. It's Friday, June 28th, and we have just hit the road. It's 92 degrees currently in Indianapolis, and we had a long, hot day getting everything ready to go. We're in thick traffic right now leaving Indianapolis, and we cannot wait to get out of town where the roads are clear, and we're gonna try to get to Iowa tonight. That's the plan, and we'll either find a campground to stay in, or we're gonna maybe end up at Camp Walmart. We don't know yet, but we're excited to be on the road. Can't wait to see all the exciting things and sights that we're gonna see. Hopefully see some cool animals.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Okay, so kids, what are you most looking forward to? Lexa, you wanna go first?
I don't know.
You don't know?
That's my answer.
Okay.
Bears.
Bears? I thought you were worried about the bears.
That's what I was gonna say, but I want to see it from a distance because I don't want to get eaten.
Right.
Also, I know this isn't in Alaska, but I'm excited to go to Glacier.
Yeah. Okay, Lila, what are you excited about? All of it? All right, cool. So we just spent our first night in the Walmart parking lot, and we folded up the one bed we popped out, and we're having breakfast. And there's Walmart. And let's see, we shared the parking lot with some semi trucks, which is pretty loud, but we used earplugs, and it was pretty much all good. This Walmart does allow people to spend the night here. So that was really great and really convenient.
Well, we spent the night in the luxurious Walmart parking lot in Galesburg, Illinois. We didn't make it quite as far as we were expecting to. It's not the greatest place to stay, but it's free, and you can't beat free. Little truck noise, but we made it through the night. How'd you enjoy your stay at Walmart, Kylie?
I would have rather stayed at a campground, but I guess it was good enough. I could sleep really good.
You slept really good at Walmart?
Yeah.
Do you remember what happened this morning though?
Yeah.
You got your breakfast and you said,
I had breakfast.
no, yeah, but you also said, I'm gonna go eat this on the picnic table.
Yeah.
Because you forgot that we were at Walmart and they don't have picnic tables, right?
Here's Lauren taking her dry shampoo shower. It's 100 degrees-ish out here in Sioux Falls. We decided to stop and let the kids get out and play for a little bit. They have a really cool waterfall here. You can see them. There's a bunch of rocks the kids are running around playing on. What do you think, Nola? You think it's fun? Yeah? We enjoyed our brief break from the road, taking in the rushing waterfalls of the Big Sioux River. This is the type of attraction we enjoy finding on our journeys to break up a travel day. We drove on for an hour more before stopping for the night in an RV park in Mitchell, South Dakota.